Here we have a 2018 18 plate BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now we do have LED headlights as well as black kidney grills, M Sport styling kit which includes black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and rear diffuser. Now we do have 20-inch M Sport alloy wheels as well as M Sport brake calipers just behind. We also have black window trim as well as privacy glass on the rear and performance decals just above the side skirts. We also have shark fin antenna as well as front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera. Now we do have dual exhaust flush to the rear bumper and rear diffuser, as well as XDRIVE and 335D badging on the rear. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. It truly does look superb from every angle. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and remember to say, Thank you very much.